Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix ene.sys driver problem on Windows 11 quick easy solution. Open File Explorer. Rename ene.sys to ene1.sys. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.